Hi, I'm here to take you through a how-to on installing a screen protector. This is an LK brand from Amazon, and the screen protector is for an Apple Watch. This is a Series 8. Um, Although I understand that this particular product may also work with a previous series, Series 7. So I'm just going to open the package and see what we have in the package. We've got this little pouch of stuff. Um, there's this ring that's a little bit hard to get out of there. I think that's for the underneath of the watch. And then this particular box, I'm not sure how many are in here. Some usually between 6 and 10, but we have individually wrapped screen protectors inside these pouches. So I'm going to set that aside for a moment. I won't need all of those. I'm going to look what's inside this little plastic bag. Some difficulty squeezing it out of the plastic bag, but we've got alcohol pads, a few of those it seems. Won't need all of them, so I'll set those aside as well. And there's a cloth, some dust absorber stickers. Won't need all of those, so I'll set those aside, and then a squeegee. So I'm pretty sure we're going to need that. So from what I understand from the manufacturer, you take this plastic device, and some of them have a film that you're supposed to peel off and then they stick. This one does it. It may, I don't want to peel a layer that doesn't exist. It looks like there's a lip to it, but in this case, there's nothing. It might just be because it's so rubbery, it won't move with where I've got it placed on. So then I know I'm supposed to take the watch and you place the watch inside the circle there, like that. And the idea is that it won't move around. All right. The next set of instructions was to take the alcohol pad and try and get to the alcohol pad. All right. Now, if you've ever had these for any length of time, they tend to dry out, but the alcohol pad is meant to clean the surface of the watch. And so I will thoroughly do that. And I think I mentioned at the start of the video, I've powered off the watch. They want you to start in an off position. So I'll set that aside. And then I'm supposed to take this cloth that comes with it and dry the watch. And so I've gone ahead here and I'm dried the watch off. Now, I probably should have done this earlier in the video. They say to turn it sideways. And I think it's because of the way you have to apply it. But the next step is to take this dust absorber, which is really a sticker. And you take the sticker and anywhere where you think you see dust, you try and take it off the watch. Now, I have done this before, and typically I always seem to find dust. Sometimes I use a spray can of a air can. And you see, it's a pretty powerful sticker. I'm trying to hold the watch. Otherwise, it seems to pick it up and move it. And the reason I keep doing this is because I see a few little specks. All right, I'm going to stop now and set that aside. And then the next thing that I'm supposed to do is take the screen protector out of its case. And there's 4 tabs to the screen protector. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I'm supposed to peel back. Number one just fell off the little tab. Supposed to peel back the first one. And that's not working too well because the little tabs keep coming off and sticking to my fingers. right? Managed to get those off my fingers. So it says to peel back number 1. And then take it and holding tab number 2, try to align it to the watch. And if it doesn't align, they say it's okay. Pick it up and realign it. So that wasn't quite perfect. So I'm going to try it again. And it does seem that it is now aligned. Now, I'm supposed to peel back, I'm supposed to put the squeegee here and peel back number 2. And then slowly with the squeegee, push up, and this piece of film comes off and I set that aside. And then I'm supposed to put the squeegee on this side and push up number 3. And you see how it lifts up and use the squeegee. So push that aside and you're left with that. And now with the squeegee, you're supposed to, if you see any air bubbles, push them out to the sides. This is really a very gentle thing and doesn't require a lot of force. Okay. Seemingly, I don't see any air bubbles that I can, maybe there's one there. No, I don't think so. I've done everything I can with the squeegee. So now there's a 4th tab, and I'm going to take this 4th tab and I'm going to lift it off. And then the rest of the instructions are that with my finger, I should go around and push down any edges down to the watch. And now here I see most of it has gone down. There's a couple of small spots that I could see as possible problems. But for the most part, it has smoothened out and the edges are all good. And so then the instruction is to put your band back on the watch. So I put those into place. And start turning the watch on. Got my finger smudges on it already. Now, I know typically in the past I've used the squeegee if I do see something there right on it. And it's just this one edge that I thought might be a problem, but for the most part, I can show you that the watch is on. It's quite clear. It's probably better than their water solution one. I do see, like I said, just this one bubble that I can't see, but it's a very, very small thing. I can't see it being a big problem. But for the most part, it is what it is in terms of how easy it is to do, much easier than the water solution one. So right now, we'll see how long this thing lasts, but the instructions and the use of this product were really easy. I'll have the links in the show notes. Thanks for tuning in.